This video will show you how to grant one or more students a date and time extension on an assignment. Assignments do not have overrides for dates and times like quizzes do, but you can grant an extension to the assignment's due date. This video will show you the steps for granting an extension for one student or a bulk edit for multiple selected students. Log into Moodle and open the course you want to edit. In the Activities section on the right side, click Assignments. Under the Assignments column, click the name of the assignment you wish to add for the extension. Check over the information in the grading summary and view the due date for the assignment. Then click View All Submissions. Here are the steps for extending the due date for one student. In the row with the student's name, click the Edit pull-down on the right. Click Grant Extension. Use the date and time controls to adjust the extension due date as needed. Make sure the Enable checkbox is checked. Click Save Changes. Check that the student's status column has the extended date and time. You may want to send the student a message or an email to confirm that the extension has been done. This section will show you how to extend the due date for multiple students, as long as you are extending to the same date and time settings for all of them. Click the checkboxes on the left side of the rows for each of the students you will be extending. Scroll down to the With Selected pull down and select Grant Extension and click Go. You will see a message, Grant an extension to all selected submissions. Click OK. In the Grant Extensions for the Number of Students screen, use the Date and Time controls to adjust the extension due date as needed, and make sure the Enable checkbox is checked. Click Save Changes. Check that the student's status column has the extended date and time. You may want to send the students a message or an email to confirm the extension has been done. So that's how you grant an extension on an assignment.